Indian Dr. Brajraj Singh Chauhan, Associate Professor, Jyoti Vidyapith, Women's University, Jaipur Department of FEM. Program is B Pharmacy first semester and course name is Remedial Math and session of today is limit nearness. In another word, it called the nearness. The idea of limit comes from this example. Consider a polygon inscribed in a circle. Here there is various polygons inscribed in a circle. First of all, triangle inscribed in a circle. Here n is equal to 3. Number of sides will be 3. Next, n is equal to 4. It is rectangle. N is equal to 5. Pentagon. N is equal to 6. Hexagon, heptagon or octagon. As number of sides of polygon increases, its area approximates the area of circle. Limit of area of polygon in the area of the circle as n approach infinitely. Limit area of polygon is equal to area of the circle. Hence, limit x tending to c any particular number, that will be 0, that will be infinite, that will be n, anything, fx is equal to l. सो बच्चे यहाँ पर आप इस फिगर को ऑब्जर्व करिए कि जैसे जैसे एन की वैल्यू बढ़ती जा रही है, पॉलीगन का एरिया इंक्रीज होता जा रहा है और सर्कल और पॉलीगन के एरिया का डिफरेंस एन की वैल्यू बढ़ने के साथ साथ कम होता जा रहा है। और यही एन की वैल्यू बढ़ के जब लगभग इनफाइनाइट के करीब हो जाएगी तो सर्कल का एरिया और इस पॉलीगन का एरिया बराबर हो जाएगा। ये लिमिटिंग पोजीशन है। व्हेन एवर एन टेंडिंग टू इनफाइनाइट, फंक्शन की जो लिमिट है वो सर्कल के एरिया के इक्वल हो जाएगी। दिस इज द आइडिया ऑफ द लिमिट। हियर कंसिडर ए फंक्शन जी एक्स इज इक्वल टू x plus 2. Here x is the input and gx is the output. When we putting the value of x, we get the value of gx. X is 1.9, then gx will be 3.9. X is equal to 1.99, then it become 3.99. But x, the value of x is 1.99, then the value of gx is equal to 3.999999 और डॉट 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 जब इसको बहुत इंक्रीज करते जाएंगे और लगभग 2 हो जाएगी वैल्यू, देन इट बिकम 4 एंड नेक्स्ट 2.0001, देन इट बिकम 3.0001 और 2.1, देन इट बिकम 4.1. सो x टेंडिंग टू 2, x की वैल्यू जैसे जैसे 2 की तरफ इंक्रीज हो रही है, gx की वैल्यू 4 की तरफ इंक्रीज हो रही है। जैसे जैसे ये x 2 की लिमिटिंग पोजीशन पे पहुंच रहा है, फंक्शन gx 4 को अचीव करने की ये टेंडेंसी है फंक्शन की। एज x अप्रोचेज टू द पॉजिटिव 2 एट बोथ डायरेक्शन एंड gx रीचेज द 4. Fundamental rules of limit. The constant rule. When we take the limit of a constant non-changing function, the limit will simply be the constant. अगर कोई भी फंक्शन कांस्टेंट फंक्शन है तो उसकी लिमिट कांस्टेंट रहेगी. द सम रूल, इफ टू सीक्वेंस हैव लिमिट्स that exist, then the limit of the sum of sequence is the sum of the limit of the sequence. The multiple rule, the two sequence have limits that exist. लिमिट को एग्जिस्ट करना चाहिए. एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ लिमिट मीन्स लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट एंड राइट हैंड लिमिट विल बी equal. The behavior of function along left hand side and along right hand side will be equal, then we call the limit exists. Then the limit of the product is the product of the limit. Here some rules of limit is uh, here division rule, limit extending to constant extending to any value fx upon gx is equal to limit extending to c fx upon limit extending to c gx. Next law, limit x tending to fx to the power n is equal to limit x tending to fx whole to the power n. This is the law of the limit. Limit x tending to a surd n fx is equal to limit inside the fx and whole surd n of the fx. Provided that n is even, we have limit x tending to a fx greater than 0. Technique in calculating limit by direct substitution. Limit x tending to a x square, putting the value of x a, then it become a square. Limits by factoring. If any rational fraction is given in the given form, then first of all we have to factorize, then cancel out. After cancellation, remaining function you have got, and then put the limit and you get the answer of the limit. Limit of rationalization. If function is in this situation, limit h tending to 0 root 3 h plus 1 minus 1 upon h, if function is such type, then first of all we have to rationalize the either denominator or numerator. We, in order to rationalizing, we have to multiply the conjugate, है ना. If a root a plus root b is either in numerator or denominator, then multiplied with root a minus root b, then its rational power is cancelled out. So first of all it's rationalizing, then after rationalizing putting the limit and you get the answer. Technique in calculating limit. Here there is an example. So rationalizing root x plus 9 minus 3, we have multiplied root x plus 9 plus 3 in numerator and denominator. So numerator is rationalized. Rationalized means free from the radical powers, and then putting the limit x tending to 0, and it gives the value in 1/6. So this is solved. Technique in calculating limit at infinity. If denominator become 0, then limits is infinite. So limit x tending to infinite, in this case we have to try to solve the infinite as टेकिंग इनटू द डिनोमिनेटर. कोशिश ये करेंगे कि फंक्शन को इस तरह से हम सॉल्व करें कि जो वेरिएबल्स है वो डिनोमिनेटर में पहुंच जाए. जब वेरिएबल डिनोमिनेटर में पहुंच जाएगा तो समथिंग अपॉन इनफाइनाइट बिकम 0, और 0 इज द real value. So in order to get the real value, try to solve in such a manner, then denominator infinite डिनोमिनेटर की ओर चला जाए. तो इस तरह से हम इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. मैक्सिमम पावर को हम कॉमन ले लेते हैं. मैक्सिमम पावर कॉमन लेने से क्या होगा कि जो वेरिएबल है वो डिनोमिनेटर में पहुंच जाएगा, और वेरिएबल जब डिनोमिनेटर में पहुंच जाएगा और डिनोमिनेटर में इनफाइनाइट पुट किया जाएगा तो वो वैल्यू 0 आ जाएगी. इस तरह से ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगी. तो इसको सॉल्व किया और ये वैल्यू आ गई 4/3. ये भी एक टेक्निक है. लिमिट एट इन्फिनिटी. extending to infinity, here taking x from numerator and x from denominator, and solve it. The limit x tending to infinite 1 plus 1 upon x is equal to limit of 1 or limit of 1 upon x. So 1 upon x is 0, so limit of 1 is 1. Technique to calculating limit, trigonometric limits, sin x upon x, uh, and limit x tending to 0, 1 minus cos x upon x, 0. Limit x tending to c sin x is equal to sin c, limit x tending to cos 10x upon x, limit. Limit x tending to 0, sin x upon cos x into 1 upon x. This is the form of trigonometric limits. Technique to calculate limit x tending to infinite e to the power x, infinite. Limit x tending to infinite e to the power minus x, 0. So limit x tending to infinite e to the power minus x, again infinite. So problem is limit x tending to infinite e to the power 2 minus 4x minus 8x square. So limit x tending to 0 and solve it, or we get the e to the power minus infinite. So e to the power minus infinite is 0. So this limit. Next, x tending to 2 minus x square plus 5x minus 2, putting the value of 2 at the place of x, and it gives real value. So this is the solution of this limit. Again, x tending to 5, putting these value, if this gives the undeterminate form, then first of all factorize. After factorization, cancel out some factors from numerator and denominator, then putting the value of 5, and we get the answer in real form. So I hope you all are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it very soon. Thank you.